Tribals are criminals by birth, said the Criminal Tribal Act of 1871, and this is one of the most draconian examples of British colonialism. This is India Before Colonization, Season 2, Episode 2. In 1871, the British passed the Criminal Tribal Act that branded hundreds of nomadic and indigenous communities as criminals by birth. It all comes down to revenue for the British. A population that moved was a population that couldn't be taxed. Pastoralists, shifting cultivators, forest dwellers, and nomadic traders like the Banjaras, who previously managed massive supply chains across the country, were bad subjects to the British. So they passed the Criminal Tribes Act. According to this, the castes and tribes notified under the act were labeled as criminal tribes, and anyone born in these communities across the country was presumed as a born criminal, irrespective of their actions, giving the police powers to arrest them, control them, and monitor their movements. In various amendments to the Act, the state gave itself the power to separate children from their parents and place them in reformatory schools to break the cycle of hereditary criminality. After independence on August 31st, 1952, the Act was officially repealed and over 2.3 million people were denotified, hence the term denotified tribes or DNTs. Today, India has over 110 million people belonging to the denotified and nomadic tribes. Members of these tribes frequently face extreme difficulty renting homes, securing formal employment, or even enrolling children in schools because their community names carry an immediate association with criminality. Because they were pushed out of forests, their homes, many live in informal settlements on the fringes of the cities without access to clean water, electricity, or basic healthcare. August 31st is still celebrated by these communities across India as Vimukta Divas, Liberation Day, serving as a stark annual reminder that while legal liberation arrived on paper in 1952, social and administrative liberation still remains an ongoing battle.